All right, guys. So before we continue, let me address one important thing right here. All the labs and the projects in this course are actually built using Python programming language. If you are someone who is already comfortable with Python programming language, you can actually safely skip this question. There won't be any issues, guys. You can safely skip this section and move straight to the LangChain Foundations module. But if you're someone who is new to Python programming language, or if you're someone you want to brush up on your skill, then I will say that this section is for you. I've actually included a set of recordings from my MLOps bootcamp. Now, these recordings actually cover the Python from beginner to advanced. It contains everything that you would need so that you can be ready for the hands-on project of the certification course. As I mentioned earlier, if you're already confident in Python, just feel free to skip ahead. Now, over these videos, I'll be actually covering some of the basic and even the advanced things as well. So these would cover the Python basics starting from syntax, variable, loops, function. It also includes the data structures such as list, dictionary, sets, tuples, working with files and modules, writing the Python script, executing the Python script, the knowledge about classes and object, which is nothing but the object-oriented Python programming approaches, how to use the virtual environment, how to work along with the packages. And these are all the and it also includes the package management as well. So these are all the core essential elements and the practices that we need to follow even when we are building this agentic AI system. And this is what you would be learning in this Python Foundations module. So the reason that this module will be helping you because, as I mentioned earlier, all our modules or all the hands-on modules that we would be having. So we'll be using the Python. So Python is the foundation. And even if you're new, I'll be very honest with you. If you just follow the videos, it will help you to bring you up to speed. You will be ready to follow along with hands-on, even including the agent building, even if you're new to Python or even if you have never coded earlier, if you just follow those videos. That's my promise, guys. A quick recap, an important takeaway from this video over here is if you're confident in Python, you can skip ahead to the next module. If not, take your time, go through these recordings. They will give you the solid Python foundation, which is required for you to succeed in this course and beyond this course as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next time, guys. Bye. All right, guys. So this was just one video on this module one of full NVIDIA certified professional agentic AI certificate preparation course. Now, in case if you'd like to access and continue access all the hands-on labs, videos, projects, including the examination preparation module, you can enroll on our website. The link is in the description below. If you are able to complete this video till the end, I would think that there's something that resonates between us, and I'm excited to help you in your certification preparation journey, and I'll see you on our portal. But more importantly, I wish you all the very best, no matter where you are in your agentic AI preparation journey. So stay with us, subscribe to our channel for more free content.